Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Robinhood for portfolio management, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open the Robinhood app or website and log in to your account.
Once logged in, navigate to your portfolio overview. Familiarize yourself with the layout of your portfolio.
Locate the Investing tab on the bottom menu. Tap on the Investing tab to access your holdings. You will see an overview of your current investments. Select a specific stock or asset to view its detailed information. Review the performance charts for insights on price movement.
Next, check the news and updates related to your selected asset.
Return to the Portfolio Overview and locate the Account tab. Tap on the Account tab to access your account settings.
Scroll down to find the Portfolio Management section.
Select Portfolio Management to customize your settings. Here you can choose how to display your investments. Opt for views based on performance, sectors, or asset types. Set up alerts for price changes and news updates. Return to your main portfolio and click on Add Funds. Choose the amount you want to deposit into your account. Select your funding method and complete the transaction. Once funded, you can start diversifying your portfolio. Use the search bar to find new stocks or ETFs to invest in. Tap on Buy to purchase additional assets as needed. Regularly review your portfolio's performance and adjust accordingly. Consider setting a budget for investment amounts. Track your gains and losses over time for informed decisions. Explore educational resources within the app to expand your knowledge. Stay updated on market trends to make strategic adjustments. Take notes on your investment strategy and goals for clarity. Review your portfolio at least once a month for effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.